Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Einhell cordless grass and bush shear. That's the GCCG 3.6 LIWT. With a safety switch, it protects against uncontrolled switching on the device. Grass cutting blade is included, lawn edge care, and including the shrub shear blade, care of the bushes and shrubs. It's simple. It is tool-free knife change possible. This device here comes for the bushes. Oh yeah. It comes as a grass shear. A grass shear is different from pruning shears. And being long handle and having the handle at the right angle of the blade, in this case it's an electronic device, they can be used to cut grass from a standing position. Two kinds are available on the market, with the blades horizontally and the blades vertical. Here it comes with a horizontal blade system. Horizontal blades are used to remove grass which has not been cut by the lawn or mower, while vertical blades are used to trim the edges of a lawn. Here it comes to you to remove grass easily. And in 1939, a version of the vertical grass shears was invented, having a long handle with a lever end on the top and wheels at the bottom with the shears. Here's an extension stick included, so you have this like 1939. This enables the user to trim the edge of the grass near the sidewalk and driveway. Power trimmer have for all practical purpose replaced this type of the grass shear itself. And here it comes. It's an electronic device, and it can not only make a good grass job, it is for bushes shear too. The GCCG 3.6 LIWT cordless grass and shrub shear is a practical and a compact tool which makes easy work of small cutting jobs and lawn edges, bushes and shrubs too. The safety switch on the handle can be comfortably operated with one hand and prevents the tool from being switched on unintentionally. The high-grade, long-lasting blades of the GCCG 3.6 LIWT achieves a good cutting result. It can be changed without tools in just a few moves. This tool comes with one grass cutting blade and one shrub shear blade too, and in my case it comes with an extendable tube included, so we can make this easy going to shear our bushes and our grass. And it's tool free to replace the blades. You have to open the bottom side easily, and then you have to attach the other blade system to it, and it comes with a battery powered system, so we have to reload it after a couple of circles of grass and bush shearing work, and then it's back in business and can be your friend in the gardening's job. This is easy. This is nice. Comes with a good price. This is the Einhell GCCG 3.6 LIWT. This is a cordless grass and bush shear. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give my positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon.
Und jetzt?
Ja, cool.